Welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today we're going to be going over how you can invest in individual LEGO minifigures and how you can still open up a set, build it, and still make some money. So one set that has a particularly good minifigure in it is this one right here, Anakin's Pod Racer. All of these 20th anniversary sets came with an exclusive minifigure that is based on the early 2000s, late 90s LEGO Star Wars investments when they originally came, or sets when they originally came out. In this case, we get the Luke Skywalker figure there, great addition to the set. And if I wanted to, I could open this set and build it, and I could still make some money just because it's already retired, just by selling off the minifigures. And there are also some other sets. I generally don't exclusively buy minifigures, I usually just buy sets. There are some minifigures where I've regretted not doing that. Some of them have really done quite well. But generally, if I open up and build a set, which I've done for a few, then I generally end up selling the minifigures and I'm able to make some of that money back. It's even better if you wait until after the set retires, because then those minifigures will generally go up in value and you'll be able to make back some of the money you spent, and possibly even more depending on how long you wait on the retired minifigures. But there's also sets like these where pretty much the only selling point is the minifigure itself. This one comes with a little dirt bike feature as well. But it's really the interesting, like, Scorpion is the Reckless Scorpion stunt bike set. So it's really just the minifigure in there that's the driving force behind how much this is going to be worth as a retired LEGO investment. This one has actually turned out to do fairly well, which is interesting. I kind of just picked it up. I thought it looked like a really unique set, and it turned out to do pretty well. It's roughly double the value. That's still only like $5, but it's done pretty well. And there are plenty of other sets like this LEGO Marvel one. In this case, we have a LEGO Wolverine build. This one has also done well, and really, again, the driving force behind it is the value of the minifigure, in this case the Wolverine minifigure, and it's done quite well. There are also plenty of bigger sets, like this Forbidden West one right here, where a lot of, well, not a lot, but a good chunk of the value is tied, or some of it is tied into the value of the alloy minifigure there. That is a great addition to the set that's helping to increase its value. And if I wanted to open this, I could build it and then still be able to make some money by selling off the minifigure to make an extra, I think it's worth like $20 or so. So it could be a good way to recoup some of that money you spent. And sometimes it's fine to just open and build a LEGO set. I don't do it too often just because I'd rather preserve them and help them increase in value. And they are pretty much always worth more as a sealed in-box set. But if you do want to open and build it, that can be a great way to be able to make a little bit of your money back while still being able to enjoy the set. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.